Hey everybody, welcome back to TheErinSpace. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We are on day 2 of the Sedona series. It's already been an amazing day. We stopped at this place called Sedona'S. It was a donut and coffee shop. And now for day 2, the big adventure is we're doing the train. We're about to take a 4-hour train ride. And we have our own caboose for all of us. So it's very exciting. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go up here and get on this train immediately. Let's go. We're waiting to get on our train. Everybody's out here. There's a bar. There's like a little gift shop, museum. We're all just waiting to go on to the train. We're on the caboose. Where's the ticks? Where's our caboose ticket? We're on the caboose, yo! Arizona's longest running nature show. Very exciting. We're very excited. We've spotted our caboose. It's the red actual caboose at the very, very end of the train. And now we're just waiting for an attendant to come and open it up and get us on there. But this is so cool. Yeah, it's an actual red caboose. We're gonna be at the head of this really, really large train. But yeah, that's our caboose. I see it. Go, we're getting on the caboose. It's happening. Caboose crew. Woo! Caboose crew. Oh, it's already so cool, you guys. I think we might be able to. I'm not sure. I know, it was literally made for 6 people. First impressions of the caboose? Yeah, love it. Absolutely, absolutely.
Oh my gosh, the chairs are so comfortable. Well, yeah, this is
the caboose.
Alright, I'm gonna leave those down till right before.
Oh, they are comfy.
In a steel box, making in the summer.
Okay.
I appreciate that. It must be LA week to come to Arizona because I've had like several people that are from the
Really?
That's funny.
This is so cool. Oh my God, you guys. This is awesome.
For sure. We are TSA federally regulated. I have to tell you, please do not smoke or vape. Also, if you're packing heat or a knife, people carry here. Just gonna let you know, you can't take that with us either. You guys are allowed on the front porch. However, please do not cross over into the other car. You're going to see it's kind of chaos. Yeah. Normally, this is technically a freight car, so normally the people would be on the back of a freight car back in the day. We were still using it. They all pile off the depot to wave us off, so it's kind of like whistle stop, like, hey. So you guys want to
Yeah, we do. Let's do it.
Can we take our drinks?
I
I already finished my drink.
I know, I'm like, oh, mine's done. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my God.
Up there right below all those buildings, that's drum.
This is so cool. Holy cow. This is great.
You guys have a nice day too. It's good weather.
Hey, you guys, wave goodbye. We're taking off.
Caboose.
Both sides of this. This is also the ugliest. So the kicker with this pile.
Oh, it's way heavier than I thought.
Oh, good. Still worth
Thank you, guys.
We hope to get another $1 billion out of it. There's still a lot of gold and silver, as well as copper and other.
Cool. This is so cool.
Up here, you're gonna see on this side, you'll see a bunch of green areas. That is the copper. There was a very high grade here, and this was the largest profiting privately owned mine.
Debbie's up top. Holy cow! Holy cow!
I like my own.
The train is amazing for taking pictures and videos that won't do what we're looking at justice. Okay, I can confirm this train ride is insanely, amazingly awesome. And if you can book the caboose, if you have a large group of people, book the caboose. Oh, book the caboose. The caboose is amazing. We have the best guide. She comes out, just lets you know what to look at. Do the caboose. We got charcuterie. You have a front area. That's another train right there. But then at the back of the caboose, you have your own platform at the back of the caboose. It's amazing. It's amazing. I cannot tell you how good this is. Turtle Rock. I see you, Turtle. Yeah, this is redonkulously cool. I'm riding the rails, y'all. On my birthday, I'm riding the rails.
So if you're doing a video, I'll tell you when you want to start.
Okay.
Start going around the bend.
Oh, no way. Dude, oh my God, it was like a total eclipse. We're in darkness. That was wild. Holy guacamole. Holy cow. We're so close to this bridge. Yo, that was so cool. That was really neat. Oh, we're looking super close. Cactus. It's like we're in a movie. I'm about to have a cupcake. We're pausing now at the end of the line. They're gonna take the lead engine train, bring it back, and connect it to our caboose train, and then tow us back, or ride us back. This is so stinking cool. I love this. Cannot recommend enough. the engine train. It's gonna come back and connect.
Those guys are 1953 FP7 units.
That looks so cool.
From Alaska Railroad.
Oh, nice. It just went down there.
So now Hayden's got to walk over, probably about 50 feet out. And Rob and Hayden are up here. Rob's train.
He's waving.
So what he's doing is he's signaling to the engineer.
Yeah.
To let him know. They're going to stop and then they're going to walk up here and guide the train in. So then what they call the
This is so cool. This is neat.
Yeah, you get some like different stuff when you're on the caboose for sure. Like it's just inside scoop.
This is wild. It's just coming right at us.
It's a little intimidating.
Yeah.
What's up, fellas?
Hi.
Not much. Having a good time. It's not 180 degrees.
Now, if there's any air walking this train, you just release it into this hose. You know what I mean?
I think it's coming over to us. Dude, this is so cool, huh? I don't know. Doesn't it look like a face? It is. It's real life Thomas the Train.
See what he's doing? He needs to back up careful. Well, you don't have to steer. What's your mean, Hayden?
Oh, I hit it all the time. It's basically steel now.
How's it going?
Pretty good, are you?
Doing better?
Yeah, about the same.
Yeah, they just want to look up there. It's her birthday.
It's my birthday today. Thank you.
The engineer? Say hello. How you take it? You got a spike somewhere?
No, my bucket's
Sorry, if you get a spike, it won't go around.
Oh, geez Louise. Thank you. Birthday spike.
There are some different protection too.
Oh,
People put them around their houses.
that's cool.
the bucket up in the roundhouse is about empty that I get my spikes from.
We're in a ghost town.
Like I said, this is nowhere.
We've made it to nowhere.
Here is the old depot. And this was what was in the movie we were talking about.
Yeah. Oh, you can tell. It's
So
from,
when
yeah.
the scene is when
Yeah.
he's picking her
Oh,
up.
it's iconic. Yeah.
So we're talking like 1962.
I love that movie though. It's a classic. Look at that old car. Yeah, How the West Was Won. Right there. Spaghetti Westerns.
3 hours long.
Is so good. This train comes through. It's the state of the. This is the state of the train after our drive there.
I think what's hilarious is look at how
Everyone's ready to nap. Look at our lights. Our train lights look spooky. We're taking this time to relax, and some of us are napping on the way back. Out of the tunnel. Beautiful. continuing our Sedona journey. We've been on a train. We've seen deer. We've seen unbelievable mountains. We've been in a pool. We had a sound bath at our house. It's been a heck of a weekend, y'all. But now we're heading to dinner and we're walking. Check this view out. Okay, you guys are in the video. Now you can do your dance. Look at this view. Oh, there. Look at this view.
Oh my God, is this a little library? Oh no! How do you open this? Ow! Oh, James Patterson here.
Oh, I love him.
Sorry. Well, I might have gotten tetanus. We'll see. No sunglasses?
Ooh, so this is the road that our house is on. Literally our house we're staying on is like up there to the right. Look at what's behind us. And we're gonna do a selfie. Pretty good. Sedona, I see you and I approve. It's the last day of the trip, and the people that are still here have managed to get up and walk out our little area in front of our house to hopefully, we already are a little bit, catch the sunrise. But if you think the view is beautiful during the day, at sunrise, at dawn, it's even beautifuler. So our house that we're staying in, that we have been staying in, is like right there. And you walk out the door and this is your view. And now we're just waiting for the sun to come up. Over the mountains. My friend set up a time lapse to try to capture it. But this is already so beautiful. Last day of Sedona. Amazing. We love Sedona. Sedona wins stamp of approval. Stamp. So also one of my friends has a star map app, so she's trying to track the sunrise for us. Plus we saw planets. Yeah, she saw planets. It's really nice out too weather-wise. This has just been the most crazy viewed weekend ever though. Look at that. Just our front yard. Beautiful. Video time check-in for sunrise. The clouds are starting to turn real pinky orangey, and also stormy looking. We're getting closer. The sun has almost arrived. It is really cool.
Oh, that's why I want like send her dog away for yeah. Really? And all the puppies. I don't think I could do that. I don't think I could either. I got really lucky with her. She's just a very chill dog.
Well, we did it. We made it to sunrise. We saw it come up over the ridiculously beautiful mountains. Just too cool. Beyond cool. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man, so worth it to get up a little bit early, roll out of bed, and come see nature's show. She puts on a pretty good show. And we saw a deer, and I might have gotten bit by a tiny, teeny little ant, but all part of the experience. Very cool, Sedona, very cool. And yeah, we were just hanging out down there, watching the sunrise. And now we're back at our house. Oh, this beautiful, beautiful house. It's our little front yard garden area. We've had coffee out here every morning. Unbelievably beautiful. Sedona.